Today we're going to be calculating the slope when we're given 2 points using the slope formula. We're going to go over 2 problems in this video, and then I'm going to give you a challenge at the end to make sure that you understand what you're doing. Let's start with the pair of coordinates for A. We have the point 2 and 3, and 4 and 7. And so remember, these are x and y coordinates, so x comma y. The first thing I need to do is assign one of the points to be point number 1 and one of the points to be number 2. And it doesn't matter which one's which, so I'll do the first one as 1 and the second one as 2. And so now you'll see that the first point is x1, y1, and the second point is x2, y2. And now all I need to do is substitute them into the slope formula. If you look at my labels, you can see that y2 is 7, y1 is 3, x2 is 4, and x1 is 2. Now I need to simplify my fraction. The top is 7 minus 3, which is 4, and the bottom is 4 minus 2, which is 2. And then finally, if I can, I'm going to simplify this fraction, and this fraction will simplify to 2. And so my answer is the slope is equal to 2. Let's try a slightly harder example. What if my points are -1 and 5, and 2 and -4? Well, again, I'm going to label them x1, y1, and x2, y2, and then substitute them into my formula once again, except this time it's a little bit trickier because there's minus signs, so pay attention. y2 is -4, and y1 is 5. x2 is 2, and x1 is -1. Now I just need to simplify my fraction. -4 minus 5 is -9, and 2 minus -1 is the same as 2 plus 1, which is 3. Now, if I can, I need to reduce this fraction, and it does reduce. -9 divided by 3 is -3, and so m equals -3, and that's my slope. Now take a look at this last problem, and pause the video and try it for yourself. Your first point is 0, 2, and your second point is 7, 9. Pause the video now, and we're going to go over the answer in 3, 2, 1. Did you get slope is equal to 1? If so, you're correct.